So let's discuss what is the meaning of endemic, and we will discuss type of endemic disease. Okay, so what is endemic? So endemic refers to usual or expected frequency of disease. Usual or expected frequency of disease. If it is unusual, then it becomes epidemic, and if it is usual or expected frequency of disease within a population group, okay, that is called endemic. In other words, you can say constant presence of a disease in a defined geographical area. Constant presence of a disease in a defined geographical area. Okay, so there are two types. One is called hyperendemic, and other is called holoendemic. Okay, so what is hyperendemic? Hyperendemic means when disease is constantly present at a high incidence and or prevalence rate and affects all age groups equally. Here it is affected, all age groups are equally affected. But in holoendemic, disease has high level of infection beginning early in life and affects most of the children population. Okay, so the disease is more common among the children than adults. So here the disease is more common in children than adults. Okay, but here it affects all age groups equally. All age groups equally. Okay, so what I told about hyperendemic when disease is constantly present at high incidence and or prevalence rate, okay, and affects all age groups equally. And holoendemic means when a disease has a high level of infection beginning early in life and affects most of the children population. So disease is more common among children than adults. Okay, for the disease to be in endemic state, R naught into S is equal to 1. So what is R naught? R naught is basic reproduction number of infection. R naught is basic reproduction number of an infection. Okay, so it is the mean number of secondary case. A typical single infected case will cause in a population with no immunity and in the absence of interventions. So that is called basic reproduction number of an infection. So let's write what is basic reproduction number of infection. It is the mean number of secondary case or typical single infected case will cause a typical single infected will cause in a population with no immunity and in absence of intervention. So this is the definition of R naught. Okay, and what is S? S is proportion of susceptibles in population. So proportion of susceptibles in population. So for the disease to be in endemic state, R naught into S is equal to 1. Okay, so this is about endemic. And do you know another terminology, epidemic? What is epidemic? This is bonus point. It means of or relating to a disease that originates outside the geographical area in which it occurs. Let's write it. Of or relating to a disease that originates outside the geographical area in which it occurs. Okay.